Hi. So, a lot of you have asked me about my skincare routine, and I thought I'll share my nighttime skincare routine with all of you. It's really essential to take care of your skin, especially in my line of work. I'm an actor, and there are days when I use professional makeup on a daily basis, and professional makeup is really not good for you. So, it's really important to get rid of all of it at the end of the day. And yeah, let's get started. If I have makeup on, I use this Clinique. Take the day of cleansing balm, take a generous amount, work it on your face, and remove it with a wet wipe or a cotton pad with some makeup remover on it. And I like to wash that off with the Sebamed cleansing foam. Now, this is something that I have been using for almost 2 years now. Uh, this is my go-to face wash. Wherever I'm traveling, whenever I'm traveling, I always have this on me. Uh, it really leaves your skin soft. It's really gentle, not like other face washes that suck all the moisture out of your face. So yeah, this is amazing, guys. I highly recommend this product. I also like to use Estee Lauder purifying mask. It's also a cleanser, foam cleanser. So what I do is, you don't have to do it, but what I do is I work it on my face, I leave it for 30 seconds to a minute on my face, and then just wash it with water. The next thing I like to use is this Body Shop Vitamin E Night Cream. And again, this is something that I have been using for a year and a half now. And I still use it. It's really good. It really hydrates your skin. Your your face, your skin is gonna thank you every time you use it. So yeah, I highly recommend this one as well. I like to alternate between my vitamin E cream and this Body Shop Oils of Life uh, facial oil. So what I do is just take like 2 or 3 drops. Trust me, little goes a long way. Just take like 2 to 3 drops and just massage it on your face like this. Yeah, that's about it. uh, Again, it's very hydrating. I actually use it sometimes in the days as well, but these days it's really important for me to like put it in the night because I sweat a lot. And if I put like an oil, even a moisturizer on my face in the daytime, I just sweat profusely. And yeah, so yeah, I prefer using it in the nights now. uh, oh, this this is Body Shop Tea Tree night lotion. Let me tell you something. If you find this in a Body Shop outlet, please get 2 3 of them at least, because Body Shop runs out of it very quickly. uh, it's really effective. There's also an oil, I think, but I like using this lotion. Like I said, I sweat a lot, so I avoid using oils on my face. This has this really nice cooling tingling effect on your skin. And yeah, it's an anti-blemish uh, product. So I have gotten rid of most of my acne scars because of this. Stock on it, I'm telling you guys, stock on it, you'll thank me later. Then I like to use a night cream. This is Estee Lauder advanced night repair cream. Take a little amount on your fingertips and just dab it under your eyes. It's really hydrating. It makes your skin under your eyes really supple. So yeah, this is my new favorite. I have also been using again Sebamed. This is Cute and Lifting Eye Cream. Uh, I am a big fan of Sebamed. So yeah, I like to switch between products every now and then. So because I feel like your skin gets used to one product, so just to break that pattern, I like to change products. Uh, this is another night cream that my dermatologist had prescribed to me last year when I complained about crow's feet because of excessive use of makeup. This is Aveen Yestiel eye cream. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, but yeah. Uh, I used to use it last year. I think I used it for almost 7-8 months. It's a really nice product, but it just that I feel like I said, my skin has gotten really used to it. So I think it stopped doing what it's supposed to do after a point. But I still recommend it. It's a really good product. Uh, oh yeah, this is Dot and Key Skincare. I think it's an Indian brand. Look how cute the packaging is. Uh, this is a skin plumbing moisture infusion water sleeping mask. I just ordered it last week and I think I've used it twice since then. So after I'm done with all my skincare stuff, I put this on my face and I go to sleep. It's really good. It's my skin feels so supple when I wake up in the morning, and it just glows. So yeah, I think this brand is gonna go a long way. They're really good. It's called Dot and Key. And Comics. I love this lip balm. You'll find one in every bag of mine. I have one in each bag. This is something I can't live without. I love the menthol cooling effect it has on your lips. And I use these, I eat these, I take these before going to bed. These are vitamin E capsules. I think this is 400 mg. There's also 600 mg, I think, but I prefer this if I'm having it on a daily basis. Yeah, that's about it. Oh, and yeah, this is something I use on my body. I've been using for many years now. Palmer's. It's an old brand. It's been around for so long. It's the products are really good. I mean, I have a lot of stretch marks. I have a lot of stretch marks on my legs, on my shank, on my hips. I wish I had started using this product much earlier, but it's never too late. So yeah, I love this. I love how it smells. It's chocolatey, cocoa-y. This one I got is the shea butter one. It smells amazing. It's really moisturizing. So yeah, these are the products I use, and let me know if you want me to do another video on anything else. Basically, yeah, this is what I use before going to bed, and drink a lot of water. Yeah, so stay home, stay safe, love you.